How to leave NFL Fantasy League. Let's get started. First, know the difference between custom leagues and NFL managed leagues. NFL managed leagues expire at season's end and won't carry over to next year. You don't need to do anything to leave those, just let the season end. To leave a custom league as a team manager before the draft, open your desktop browser and go to m.fantasy.nfl.com. Log in and click the League tab. Under League Actions, select Delete Team or Leave League. Confirm when prompted. Your team will be removed from that league. If you are the commissioner and want to delete the entire custom league, on the desktop side go to Manage tab, click Delete League. Confirm to permanently dissolve that league. You cannot leave or delete a league from the mobile app. You must use the desktop browser and switch to the full site if needed. If you only want to stop updates, you can turn off league alerts in settings instead of leaving. You can join other leagues, adjust your team display order, or ask your commissioner to replace with another manager in a custom league. That's it, leaving an NFL Fantasy League is quick and easy on desktop. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.